Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Vivo V9 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set full screen video while playing video in YouTube in Vivo V9 Pro smartphone. When you play YouTube video, it will not in full screen. Even when you zoom any video, it will not come to the full screen, that is up to the notch. But there is one setting for this. I will explain it here. See here this demo. I have opened this video, and when I play this video, it will not come under full screen. See here. Even when I zoom this video, it's not up to the notch. So if you want to play this video in full screen mode, that is up to the notch, so you need to do one setting in your phone. You have to make a change in the settings of your phone. Go to the settings and scroll down and click on display and brightness and click third party app display ratio. Just click here and select the app that you want to be used as full screen mode. Here I select YouTube and here click on full screen. Just read the instructions and click OK. Now go back and open YouTube again and play any video that will be in full screen, that is up to the notch. So here I play one video from YouTube. I search for Vivo V11 screenshot. You can play any video that you want. And I play this video. And after enabling the full screen, it is in full screen mode. So when you zoom it, it will be in full screen. This video will be covered up to the notch. So in this way, you can easily play full screen video in Vivo V9 Pro smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.